Hi, Jake. Molly. Hi, Luke. Hi, Luke. Luke's my buddy. Yeah. Luke's my buddy. Hello, handsome boy. Hello, handsome boy. Hi, Zeppelin. Easy, Joe. What are you doing, Zeppelin? You playing with your brother? Ladies. Easy, girls. Joey. I knew we would get him to play with me. Hi, Guinness. I see you, buddy. Yes, Jake. Hi, Jake. That's my boy. Huh? I see him. I see him. Brock. Easy, buddy. Very handsome. Really, Zeppelin? I need love. I'm gonna sit on your foot. Yeah, he's a good boy. Not on me, boys. Oh, jeez. It's got squished. Yep. Yep. Well, Zeppelin's just lovey, so he just wants to sit. Guinness wants to play. Like body slam Zeppelin into me. Yes, you. Yes, you. You're a goofball. You're the goofball. Oh boy, here we go. Jake, they can play. They're fine. No fun, police. Oh, hello, sweetheart. Yes, I see you. Oh, really? Really? It's okay. They're okay. They're playing nicely. Yes, I know. I know. You're concerned. I know. What? What, sweetie? What, sweetie? I know, Roxy. I know. I know what. Oh my God, you just look at Wiggle Bug. Oh, look at that Wiggle Bug. Get down. Thank you. Brody. 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 No. 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 I don't need everybody jumping on me. Guinness, be nice. You got a lot to learn, buddy. Oh, Jake. Oh. Hot, hot, please don't. Remy. Easy, boy. Remy. Yes. What are you doing? Just hanging out? What's the matter, bud? What's the matter, Brody? Just hanging out? Yeah. Good boy. Well, that didn't go so well, did it, Roscoe? Whoa! I know. Don't grab it. Don't grab. What, Avery? What? You barking at me? What are you barking at me for? Can I help you, Mary? I have someone's hair stuck to me. You. Cowboy. Oh, geez, Joey. Easy. Boy. What, Avery? What, Avery? What is it? What is it? Come here. What is it? What is it? Lukey Luke! What are you doing, handsome? Brock. What? Wiggle boy. Yeah, Jake's wiggle. Avery, come here, pretty girl. Come here. Come here. Hi, Remy. Hi, Rem. Nickel boy. Come here, Nickel boy. Go on. Go play. Go play. Hi, Guinness. Avery. Hello, Luke. Cowboy. Cowboy. Thank you. What, sweetie? What is it? What is it? Huh? Let me see. Come up where I can actually pet you. Ooh. That's good. What? Oh, what's that? I see it. Down, please. Thank you. Thank you. What, honey? Hello, Luke. Luke, Jake, and Jody. My good boys. Yeah. Hi. Cowboy. I saw that. What is it, sweetie? Come here. Really? You two gonna have a yelling match again? Huh? No, Roscoe's not getting dragged into it this time. He's not getting fooled into it this time. No? Good girl. Oh, sweet baby. Molly and Penny are just all worn out.